Other news now, friends of an Austin man hosted a benefit in his honor tonight after he was killed in a snowmobile crash last week. And News Center's Carrie Klatt has a little bit more on that story tonight, and she joins us now live from the studio. Carrie?
Jennifer, 33-year-old Corey Allheiser died doing something he loved, snowmobiling. So today, in his honor, family and friends set out on a day-long sled ride to benefit his family. We met up with the group at the finish line in Lisle at the American Legion, where it was packed full of snowmobilers wanting to celebrate Corey's life. We spoke with Corey's mother, who said her favorite story about her son that she's been recalling since his accident comes from just last year when he presented his 2-year-old son with a restored Kitty Cat snowmobile in the hopes they'd get to ride together.
He thought him and his son were going to do a lot of snowmobiling together, and they did a little. And Connor always had that snowmobile to remember his father by.
Allheiser was snowmobiling along Highway 13 just north of Albert Lea last Sunday night when his snowmobile crashed into a drainage ditch near Manchester Township. He is survived by a fiance, 2 children, and 1 on the way. More than 30 riders participated in today's event. All the proceeds will go to Allheiser's family. Jennifer, back to you.